Another big story we are following very closely this morning has to do with a lawsuit filed by the Florida Education Association, the biggest teachers union here in our state, about the reopening of schools. The schools in Southwest Florida are set to reopen, next Monday already, and this is going to cause some big changes because a judge actually ruled in favor of the FEA and said that the state's mandate saying that those schools had to physically reopen 5 days a week is unconstitutional, and therefore the state can't withhold funding from those different school districts. So this could be a big change for us here in Southwest Florida.
Absolutely. So that's definitely the question that's on many parents and teachers' minds this morning, with that ruling just now coming down yesterday. And like you said, we're just days away from schools in Lee, Charlotte, and Collier counties reopening August 31st, which is next Monday. So we're going to have to wait and see exactly what comes out of all of that. But I do want to go ahead and ask you to take a look at your screen. This is the latest statement from that judge, who said that the state order is unconstitutional to the extent that it, quote, arbitrarily disregards safety, denies local school boards decision making with respect to reopening brick and mortar schools, and conditions funding on an approved reopening plan. Now, he actually cited Hillsborough County, which you may recall the district tried to push back its physical reopen date following the advice of some doctors, but was at risk of losing millions of dollars. So the judge says that his decision will remove that threat of financial penalty. And with that threat now gone, the FEA is telling districts to reevaluate whether or not to reopen schools.
What we're asking people to do is proceed with caution. Proceed with caution and be guided by the science.
So I reached out to our local school districts here in Southwest Florida to see if this will in fact change their plans locally as we approach the first day of school on Monday, August 31st. Collier County Public Schools says that it, quote, respects the court's opinion, but also recognizes the likelihood of an immediate appeal. So it says as of right now, it will be moving forward with plans to reopen on Monday. Lee County Schools, on the other hand, saying it is aware of that ruling, but that it's going to be reviewing it at this time. Charlotte County Schools also saying that it's going to be on the superintendent's agenda when the board meets later this week.